Rubrics are a powerful tool for you as an instructor. To make use of them in your course, though, they will have to be created. This tutorial will help you with the process of creating your own rubric. In your course site, navigate to Rubrics in the left-hand navigation menu. On the top right, click on Add Rubric. When the rubric creation table appears, you will see a default criteria row in the table. In the first column, you will see the description of the criteria. The pencil icon will let you edit the criteria description and long description. The trash can will allow you to delete the criteria. The last column shows the total points for that criteria. This is where you can adjust the total points for that criteria. Before making edits to the ratings, we suggest changing the total possible points for that criteria here before changing the ratings, since the points changed here are automatically changed in the ratings section. The middle columns show each of the ratings. Each rating column shows the points or points range for that criterion, as well as showing the rating name and description. The ratings are organized with the highest possible scores to the left and no points to the right. In between the ratings columns there is a plus sign button. This button adds a rating that has points in between the two. When you click on the plus sign, the Edit Rating menu will appear. It will automatically enter a rating score halfway between the two ratings. The new ratings points or points range need to be in between the ratings where you clicked on the plus sign. Keep this in mind because the tool will not allow you to go out of order. The rating title usually denotes it's some kind of proficiency level for the criteria. An example for a rating scheme we use is a 4-point scale that includes exemplary, proficient, developing, and not at standard, with exemplary being the highest rating you can get and not at standard being the lowest. You can choose a scheme that works best for you. The rating description allows you to elaborate on that rating level. This area will help you with assigning ratings when grading particular criteria, as well as a descriptor for students as to why they achieved a particular rating. Once complete, click on the Update Rating button. If you want each rating to contain a range of potential scores, allowing for flexibility with assigning points in a rating bracket, click on the Range checkbox. Now that you have created your first criteria, to add additional criterion, click on the Add Criterion button. You can begin creating a new criterion by clicking on New Criterion, or you can duplicate one located in the current rubric by selecting the name of the criterion you want to duplicate in the list below. This might be useful if you're using a similar rating scheme and can speed up the creation of your rubric. Once you click on New Criterion, or you're duplicating one, you will see the Add Criterion menu. Here you will enter in the description and long description for the new criterion. Once you have made the rubric, click on the blue Create Rubric button at the bottom to finish up the rubric. Now that you have made your rubric, you will want to attach it to an activity. We have tutorials for how to add a rubric to an assignment, as well as a tutorial on how to add a rubric to a discussion. Links to the tutorials can be found in the video description. Please check out our faculty resource site for more tutorials, as well as how to reach out to ATD with any questions or assistance needs you may have. Thanks for watching.